To begin this journey towards a more comfortable working environment, first, open Microsoft Word. Next, create a new pristine blank document. As is customary, Word starts you off with a glaring white canvas, which we are about to transform. Now, let's explore method 1. This white canvas is a common problem for anyone who spends a lot of time working in Microsoft Word. Let's dive in on how to switch from that blinding white canvas to a more eye-friendly dark mode. Whether you're a night owl or just prefer the stylish look, I got you covered. Navigate to the Design tab, positioned on the Word ribbon. Hover your cursor near the far right corner, where you'll unveil a hidden gem called Change Page Color. A click here opens a menu of options. Among these, you can choose either the blank color, which turns your canvas pitch black. Method 2 offers a more permanent solution, ensuring your Word canvas stays dark, no matter how many new documents you open. Before we proceed to our second method, it's crucial to acknowledge a minor drawback. When using method 1, anytime you open a new document, it defaults to the standard white background. Consequently, you'd find yourself repeating this setting adjustment. But fear not. Start by heading to the File menu, and there you will see Options menu, found at the bottom of the left panel. Navigate to Office Theme. Switch it to dark gray or use System Settings. However, to guarantee that your canvas remains in dark mode, be sure that your PC's default theme is set to dark mode as well. Also, uncheck the box next to Never change the document page color. This nifty move ensures that your canvas retains its dark and stylish appearance. Now, let's talk about the importance of dark mode. Not only is it easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, but it also conserves battery life for your devices. A win-win. And there you have it. Say goodbye to blinding white screens. With these methods, you can easily switch Microsoft Word to dark mode, and you won't have to worry about changing it every time you open a new document. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends. Until next time, stay productive and enjoy Word in a whole new light, or should I say, darkness.